Hi everyone, I'm Claire. If you're new to my channel, it's lovely to have you here. I'm behind the camera today. Now I've got some beautiful Moonstone beads. See how beautiful they are? Look at the colours. But these are actually synthetic. And I think they are very good. Look at the colours. So they're synthetic. They are available in grey and clear. Here's the clear ones. I think they're absolutely beautiful. You see the blue hues, it's almost electrifying. I've got some 0.6 elastic today. I'm going to make some bracelets out of these. I've got two small jewellery bells, two charms. I've gone for a silver turtle and a silver shell, and we've got some 6mm silver jump rings. Most of the supplies that I use in my tutorials are available on my website lowcostcraftsupplies.co.uk, and there you will find jewellery, craft and jewellery supplies. I currently have a 10% offer off of a £10 spend. I have got lots of new stock. I'm currently listing lots of new Halloween and Christmas stock. I know that may seem a little bit strange to you, but if you do run a business behind the scenes, my customers are busy making their Halloween and Christmas stock. So if you haven't subscribed to the channel, please hit that subscribe button. I have got hundreds of tutorials ideal for the complete jewellery beginner. This is a new reel I've just started, so I've just taken the end off, and I've got my ruler. Let's get it the right way. So we're going to do a 7-inch bracelet, and I'm going to do 12 inches of elastic. I'm going to give that a really good stretch. Right, so I'm just going to pop a bead clip on the end to stop our beads from falling off. I'm hoping this comes out okay. I've got my microphone down on here because you can't see, but I'm wearing lots of ruffles today and it makes a noise. So we'll do the grey ones first of all. So how are you all? It's Sunday today. Have you had a lovely weekend? We've actually got rain now over here in the UK. Obviously I live in Bristol, which is down south, England, which is southwest of England. And it's so needed. Everything is so dry and dying. I've lost so many bushes in my garden. No matter how much I water, the sun has just frazzled them. So I've just chopped them all back, moved them, and hope they'll come back next year. I don't know if you can see that on the camera. It's lovely. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to sell these in packs of 10 on the website, because I know some of you don't want to make bracelets, you want to make like earrings. Obviously it is going to be more expensive to buy them in such small quantities. See, my channel is for those that are beginning their jewellery making journeys, but here they are. I'm hoping it will show on here, the blue. If you can like this video, leave a comment down below. Don't know what you're going to say, don't worry. You can leave emojis, you can tell me what country you're from, how you are. I'd love to get to know my subscribers, as I respond to every single comment. Okay, so that is So for a 7-inch bracelet, that is 28 beads. Obviously I have to allow for the bell on the end. So if I do them in packs of 10 and you're not going to use a bell, you will need 3 packs. So I'm going to pop the bell on. But this is also good because we are going to be able to hide the knot behind the bell as well. So we'll take that off, give it a stretch. Now I know some of you are really having problems in tying your bracelets, and there's lots of different ways to tie your bracelets. It's what works for you. What I do is I will just do a simple overhand knot like this. Then I do the same again, but instead I'm going to do a surgeon's knot. So instead of pulling that, I just go around once more and then pull. When you pull, do not use your nails because that will damage the elastic. Then I will do one, but I will go the other way. Overhand knot and then pull. Now if you wanted to, you could put a dab of glue on there, or you can just do another one. Just do another. And because we've used the bell, the knot will be hidden underneath the bell. So we're just going to snip that off. There we go. And there we are, it's actually hidden. So which do we want on here? Let's have a look. Do we want the turtle? I think I'm going to put the shell on this one. So we take our pliers, open the jump ring. Now I do have a video all about jump rings which I'll link above for you, but they have a split in the jump ring. So you put your pliers each side and then you twist, and that opens the jump ring. And then what we do, we take the bell, as you can see they've got a hole, and then if this is our bracelet, we want the charm, the shell, we want the charm to face this way, so we pop that on. And then exactly what we did first of all, we do to close it. So we put our pliers each side and then close. Make sure there's absolutely no gaps. Number 1 made. And we'll just do another one. So again, we measure 12 inches and snip. Give it a good stretch. Bead clip on the end. And we'll now use those. Obviously, if you wanted to, you could mix and match. So we just start threading. So we just start threading the beads. So it's just below 7 inches. So we attach our bell. I just do another stretch. It's just something, it's just a habit I've got into. I know we've stretched it previously. So again, overhand knot. Then we do the same again, but we're actually going to go over twice. And this is the start of our surgeon's knot, and then we do one the other way. Again, you could put a dab of glue if you want to, but I'm going to do an overhand knot. Then we snip those off. Aren't they beautiful colours? Again, we're going to take our jump ring. The split is at the top. Open the jump ring, thread through the bell, and then the turtle will go that way. And then we do exactly the same the other side, and then we close together. So that's just an idea of something that you can make. I just wanted to show you how beautiful these beads are. Which is your favourite colour, clear or grey? Let me know in the comments below. Remember, hit that like button. If you've not subscribed to the channel, please subscribe to the channel. I've got lots of tutorials available, ideal for the complete drawer beginner. If you can leave a comment down below, it just helps the algorithm see the interaction, and it will share my videos out to more people, and that way I can reach more people and teach them how to make jewellery and build our little family. Thank you so much for watching. Take care and happy crafting.